Are you looking for the best facial exfoliators in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best facial exfoliators that are available on the market. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. At number 5, Naturalico Anti-Aging Organic 20% Vitamin C Serum for Face. It comes in a 1 ounce bottle and contains hyaluronic acid, vitamin C and E, plant stem cells, sea buckthorn oil, and organic rosehip oil, among other things. It aids in the toning, firming, and hydrating of the user's skin. This makes it resistant to aging indicators like wrinkles and age spots. This is the item on which you should invest your money. It is dependable and produces results quickly. At number 4, InstaNatural Vitamin C Facial Cleanse. This product is a little pricey, but it guarantees quality to the user. It's produced with all natural components that are gentle on the skin. The mixture will keep the skin hydrated throughout the day. The user appreciates its effectiveness, and every dollar spent on it is well spent. It gets rid of blemishes, uneven skin tone, wrinkles, and aging spots. This product is excellent. At number 3, Olay Regenerist Advanced Regenerating Cream Moisturizer. If you're looking for a product that will provide you fantastic results with no negative side effects, this is it. It aids in the restoration of your skin's young radiance. If you use the moisturizer on a regular basis, it will keep your skin hydrated, making it silky and smooth. Wrinkles and fine lines that appear as a result of aging will progressively fade away. At number 2, Olay Regenerist Micro-Sculpting Cream. Hyaluronic acid, aminopeptides, and vitamin B3 are all present. The formula hydrates your skin by penetrating deep into the surface layers. It also works on wrinkles, assisting in their reduction. The Microsculpting cream aids in the hydration and firmness of the skin. People who have used it have given it great marks. The outcomes are spectacular, and the user is ecstatic. So far, it's the best cream. At number 1, Olay Regenerist Micro-Sculpting Facial Serum Fragrance-Free. It's ideal for persons with dry, oily, normal, and even combination skin. The lotion effectively reduces the appearance of fine lines, wrinkles, and even age spots, giving the user a younger-looking complexion. It aids in the restoration of firmness and elasticity, as well as the treatment of dry skin. It improves cell regeneration thanks to the important anti-aging ingredients used. This is a product that every lady should have. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure a like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe.